Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you one of the most powerful 5-minute technical analyses I use in my trading. No wasting time, let's jump straight in. First, we're using the Turbo Trend Bot as our market analysis tool. Next, choose your currency pair and connect it directly to the pocket option broker. Then hit confirm, set the signal duration to 5 minutes, and you're ready to trade. Let's see how the market reacts today.
Before I explain what the Turbo Trend Bot is and how it actually works, I'm going to place a trade first. Let's take this entry right now and see what the market gives us.
Okay guys, for those of you who still don't know what Turbo Trend FX is and what strategy this bot uses, let me explain it briefly. Turbo Trend FX is a software tool designed specifically for binary options trading. It helps traders follow market trends more effectively by combining the best indicators with optimized settings. This bot analyzes price movement and volume to identify trend direction and strength with high accuracy, giving you clearer signals and a better view of the market. The Turbo Trend Bot uses a trend-based trading strategy, avoiding high-risk methods like martingale or grid systems. It identifies strong trend signals to determine the best entry points, and then sets the optimal expiration time based on current market volatility. This makes each trade more controlled and focused on real market movement. And for those of you who want to download and get access to this bot, just check the description of this video for more information. Alright guys, it looks like our first trade is about to close in profit. And yes, that was a perfect win. Alright, now let's move on to the second trade. Okay, just a few seconds left before the second trade closes. And yes, we've got another profit. Now, let's take a look at the third trade. Okay, I have 5 seconds left. And yes, the third trade finished perfectly. Alright guys, now let's check the result of our fourth trade. The price moved really far from our entry point. And yes, we won again, guys. Alright, now let's move on to the fifth trade. And as you can see, this one is almost guaranteed, 100% heading for profit. Alright, this is our final trade. Let's take a look. And it looks like this one is going way beyond 100% profit. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching this video all the way to the end. I'll see you in my next one.